Let's do some sight word review. Today we're going to review the sight words my, go, me, like, and on. Let's start by studying the sight word my. Let's spell it M-Y. Let's count how many letters. 1, 2. I see a short letter M. Then I see a letter Y that goes down below the line. We know Y is sometimes a vowel. Let's count the syllables in the word my. Ready? My, my. Next, let's use the sight word my in a sentence. My sentence says, look at my toy. You think of a sentence with the sight word my in it and say it out loud now. Good job. Now we're going to read and write the word my. You can write the word in the sky with your finger, or you can write it down on a whiteboard or a piece of paper. Ready? Let's start with our M. Go down, then up, down, and then your letter Y. Down, and then pick up your pencil and go all the way down under the line. Let's read it, my. Next, let's study the sight word go. Let's spell it. G-O. Let's count how many letters. 1, 2. I see the G, that's a consonant, and it has a tail that goes down below the line. And then an O, remember, is a vowel. It's a short letter. Let's count the syllables in go. Ready? Go. Go has one syllable. Go. Now let's use the sight word go in a sentence. My sentence says, I go to school. You think of a sentence with the word go in it and say it out loud now. Now we're going to read and write the word go. Let's start by writing our letter G. Make a circle, then go down and make a tail under the line, and then make your letter O. Let's read it. Go. Good job. The next sight word we're going to study is the sight word me. Let's spell it. M-E. Let's count how many letters. 1, 2. Those are both short letters. M is a consonant and E is a vowel. Let's count the syllables in the sight word me. Ready? Me. Me has one syllable. Next, let's use the sight word me in a sentence. My sentence says, can you see me? Mine was a question. It has a question mark at the end. Now you think of a sentence with the sight word me in it and say it out loud now. Good job. Let's get ready to read and write the word me. Let's start with our M. Go down, up, and down, and then your E. Remember, start here, go over, up, and around. Me. Our next sight word is the sight word like. Let's study it. First, let's spell it. L-I-K-E. Let's count how many letters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. It has 2 tall letters, doesn't it? The L and the K are 2 tall letters, and those are consonants. I and E are vowels. Now let's clap the syllables in the word like. Ready? Like. It only has one syllable too. Like. Next, let's use the sight word like in a sentence. My sentence says, I like school. You think of a sentence with the word like in it and say it out loud now. Good job. Let's get ready to read and write the word like. Let's start by writing our word like. Let's start with L. Remember, start at the top, straight line down. I we always start at the top, right? Top, down, but then make a little dot. K, start at the top, straight line down, go in the middle, go up, and then add the last little piece down, and our E, over, up, and around. Read the word like. Good job. Our last word we're going to study today is the word on. Let's spell it. O-N. Let's count how many letters. 1, 2. We know O is a vowel, N is a consonant. They're both short, small letters. Let's clap the syllables in the sight word on. Ready? On. On has one syllable. Now let's use the sight word on in a sentence. My sentence says, we go on the bus. You think of a sentence with the word on in it and say it out loud now. Good job. Let's get ready to read and write the word on. On. Let's write it. Write your O, and your N. Straight line down, then go back up and round and down. On. Good job. Let's point and read all the sight words you know. Here we go. My, like, me, go, on. Great job. We remember that learning sight words can help us read and write.